Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be solving the problem. Some of the people would have experienced that when they are in game, their left click doesn't work. So we're gonna fix it. So mainly, if you're not in game, your left click works perfectly, and when you're in game, it doesn't work. So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna start off with going to our settings. Then we would go to the devices. Now we're gonna go to the touchpad. As you can see in the middle, you would able to see the touchpad option. Click that touchpad, and normally it would set to medium or low. So what you're gonna do is set this to most sensitive, uh, and this should solve your problem. So set to most sensitive, and now you can enjoy your game. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, it would help a lot.